Hello guys, good morning. Good morning guys. Very good morning. On your
Good
camera
morning.
please. Very good morning. Somebody shouted in my ear. What was that? I just got huh? What Agatha?
I think that was my sister's.
Oh, just give me a little heart attack. Uh, we were doing some questions on quadratic equation. So I would like to ask you guys that you did that homework. I saw only Agatha's and David rest. Nayantara, you did the homework?
I have a few more to do and then I'll have to submit it.
Okay. Reena, you did the
Same.
homework?
Yeah, I have a few more, sir.
Okay. You are able to get it now?
Yeah.
The main thing is you should get it. Miracle? What about you, Beta?
Yes, same like Nayandara. Both knows some more and something.
Okay. Okay, guys. So, so okay. Now here we have to solve this equation. Okay, and we have to find. Uh, so basically, okay, we'll not do this. Okay. So today, what we are going to learn, we are going to learn that how to solve a quadratic equation. Now, what is the meaning of solve? So solve means to find the value of x. Simple as that. Solve means to find the value of x. So please, everyone, turn on your camera. Okay. So are we live? Now, today, what we are going to learn, solving the solving the quadratic equation. Solving the quadratic equation. Okay. So how you will solve the quadratic equation? So for example, we have an equation x square minus 7x plus 12 is equals to 0. If you want to solve this quadratic equation, okay, so how will you solve this? So first step is like first method that we are going to learn is called as the first method is called as middle term split. It's not term, it's term. Middle term split. Middle term splitting. So what is middle term splitting? So we have this question x square minus 7x plus 12. Yes. So everyone please pay attention. I know that you learn this, but I will explain this again. So what is the middle term splitting? Middle term splitting is you have to multiply the first and the last term. So when you will multiply it, what will you get? You will get answer as 12x square. Yes or no? Now when you got the 12x square, so write one x here and one x here. Have you even got it? Say yes or no? Now you need a number such that when you will multiply it, you will get answer as 12. But when you will add it, you will get answer as -7. I'm repeating again. You need a number such that when you will multiply it, what? When you will multiply it, you will get 12. But when you will add it, you will get answer as 7. So, Rina, do you have any number in your mind? That when you multiply it, you will get answer as 12. But when you will add it, you will get answer as -7. Any number? Think. Unmute your mic. I'll let you. Any number, when you will multiply it, you will get answer as 12.
1.
One and another number is like you need two numbers, na?
Yeah.
So 1 multiplied by 12. So yes,
Oh.
1 multiplied by 12 is 12. But when you will add it, you will get answer as 30. But we need answer here as -7. Any other number? Two numbers, when you will multiply it, you will get answer as 12.
6.
6 and 6 and say it again.
I thought like 6 and 6 itself.
No, 6 and 6, when you will multiply it, what will you get? Like 6 6 are 36, no?
36. Oh yeah.
But you need answer as 12.
Uh,
Like you can take 6 and 2. Like 6
okay.
2s are 12.
Mm.
But when you will add it, you will get answer as here +8. You need answer as -7. So this won't be the factor. Any other factor that you're thinking?
Mm.
Any other factor that you're thinking? Like I am thinking 3 and 4. So like 3 into 4 is 12, which is correct. But when I will add it, what will I get? I will get
7.
answer as +7. And here I need -7x. Still, it's not correct.
3.
Are you with it?
Yeah. So it can be 3 and -4.
So if you will do 3 and -4. So 3 into 4 is 12, but it will be the minus will come. So it will be -12, but here it is +12. So if I will do
Then
-3 and
-3 and
-4,
-4.
yeah, -3 and -4, it means 3 4s are 12, minus minus will become plus, which is correct. And -3 and -4, because they are the same sign, we have to add them, so it will become -7. So I got the middle term factors. So these are the middle term factors. What are the middle term factors? These are the -3 and -4. Okay, so I will write x square minus 3x minus 4x plus 12 is equals to 0. I will take out x as a common, so it will become x minus 3 minus 4 as a common, so it will become x minus 3 is equals to 0. Okay, no need to write 0. Okay, you have to write the 0.
So like -3x minus 4x, we will add, then it will get like plus 7x.
No,
Minus and minus.
like they -3 and -4, they have the same sign.
Yeah.
They same sign means you will add it. So 3 plus 4 is 7. Got it?
Yes.
And because minus sign is repeating, so minus sign will come. This is correct. Got it?
Got it, sir.
Yeah. Now here, guys, I got two factor. Reena, till here you understood? No. So what I did from here, I take out x as a common. So from this, one x is out, so x will remain behind, and this x is out, so 3 will remain behind. So x minus 3 is there. From this, minus 4 is out. So the minus, this is the minus term, it become plus, and this is the plus term, it become minus, and 4 is out, and here 4 3 are 12. From that, 4 is out, so 3 is remaining. So I got here two factor x minus 4 into x minus 3. Now we have to put this equation is equals to 0. So x is equals to 4. I got one factor as x is equals to 4 and the another factor is x is equals to 3. Means I got two solution. I got how many solution? Two solution in which one is x is equals to 4 and the another one is x is equals to 3. Are you with me? Did you understand? Guys, please ask me. So how will you verify it? For example, the equation is x square minus 7x plus 12 is equals to 0. So instead of x, just write 4. So 4 square minus 7 into 4 plus 12 is equals to 0. It will become 16 minus 28 plus 12 is equals to 0. So 16 minus 28 is minus 12. Minus 12 plus 12 is equals to 0. 0 is equals to 0. It means that my factor is RHS because LHS is equals to RHS. And if I will take the second one also, I have to verify this also. So it will become like this. It will become 3 square minus 7 into 3 plus 12 is equals to 0. 9 minus 21 plus 12 is equals to 0. Minus 12 plus 12 is equals to 0. 0 is equals to 0. So I got the correct solution. Are you with me, guys? Did you understand? No. David, Miracle, did you understand, beta?
So in the exam, do we have to verify
Yes,
it?
sir. Yes.
If it is mentioned to verify, then verify. Otherwise, no need to verify.
Okay.
If they ask you to verify, if they mention it, then you have to verify. Did you understand, guys? Shall I give you one more question? Okay, find the solution and verify it out. This is the equation. Everyone do this. Okay. So, Reena, unmute your mic, please. Okay. So, what is the first step? What we have to do in this question? What is the first step?
6x,
Yeah,
6x
6x
power
square
2.
will be multiplied by 3.
Yeah.
Okay, so it will become what? 18x square.
Mm.
Now, what you have to do? What I said? You need a number.
A number into a number should be 18, and if you add the numbers, you should get minus 7.
Yeah. Any number?
2 and 9. No. 3 and 6. No.
3 and 6. If you will write 3 here and 6 here.
Yeah.
So 6
no,
is
but
the
no.
18.
Yeah.
Yeah. Any other number? Is it wrong or question? Yeah, it's wrong question. Sorry. Here it is minus 3, okay?
Okay.
So when you will multiply it, you will get minus 18x square. Now you tell. Everyone, it's -3, not +3. Okay. Here I change. So please. uh, yes, Rina. Now you tell me the number. Like if I will write 9x and 2x. So 9 2 is 18.
Yeah.
Okay. But when you multiply it, you will get +18. You need -18.
-9 and
Yeah. -9x and +2x. So you will get -18. That is correct. And when you will solve it, what will you get? Like when you will solve this and this,
okay.
what will you get?
I'll get -7.
So I got the factors.
Yes.
So now what will I do? 6x squared minus 9x plus 2x minus 3 is equals to 0. Now from the first two, what is the common?
X is equal
X
to
and x not equals to.
no
Bracket will
x
come.
into
But 3, the coefficient are also divisible by the 3 table. Can
okay.
you see this?
Yeah.
So I will take out 3x. Got it? No.
Yes.
Now what will remain? What will remain from the first term? Just tell me. In the first term, the first term is there, which is 2x, 6x squared. So from this 3x is out. What will remain behind?
3x.
No, 3 2 just 6 is there.
Yeah.
3 2 just 6. So 3 is out. So what will remain behind? Only 2.
2.
2 and 2x was there. But now 1x is out. So what will remain behind? Any x?
2x.
From the second term, tell me.
2x minus 9x.
No, common. We took out the common, no?
2x minus
Minus.
6.
Really? See, what I write 9 is equals to 3 into 3. Yes?
Yeah.
From this 1 3 is out.
Mm.
What will remain behind?
3.
Only 3, na? So it is 2x minus 3,
Okay.
not 6. Remaining behind is not subtracting, it is dividing basically.
Okay.
Okay. Now from this there is no common is there, so I will take out +1 as a common. So it will be the same. So what are the two factors which I got? I got 3x plus 1 and 2x minus 3. Okay, now I have to put this equation, this factor in front of 0. So I will got 3x is equals to -1, x is equals to -1/3. Got it?
Yeah.
The same way, this will also be equals to 0. So 2x is equals to 3, x is equals to 3/. I got the two factors, then I have to verify. Miraculous, you got it? No.
Got so just little bit confusing. Like 3x, the first step.
The first step, which one?
3x in bracket 2x minus 3 plus 1 2x minus 3.
This one?
No, the upper one.
ऊपर वाला? ये वाला?
हाँ.
Okay, so in this, basically, what I am doing, I am taking out the common in the first two terms. So 3x is the common I took out. Yes? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now from this, like we can write 6 as 3 into 2 and 3 is out. So what will remain behind? 2. So I wrote 2 here. And 2x was there. 1x is out. So what will remain behind? X. So I wrote 2x here. Got it? In the same way, 9 can be written as 3 into 3. Okay, and x was there. So one x is out and one 3 is out. So what will remain behind? Only 3. So I wrote here 3. Like that. Got it, Miracle?
Got
And
it.
from these two terms, there is no common, so it will become plus 1. So I got 2x minus 3. So I got here two factor. These are the first factor, this is the second factor. I put them equals to 0 and then I solve it. I got the two value of x. Now you have to verify.
Yes.
Won't come in and see anything.
Sorry. Yeah, I got the verification. Yes,
How did you get 6 into 1 upon 9 in the first part?
like here it is minus 1 upon 3 square, no? This will be square.
Oh, okay. Okay.
So it will become 1 upon 9. Reena, Miracle, David, got it? Turn on the camera, please.
Process suggest.
Sir,
Yeah,
can the factors be 3x plus 1 and 2x minus 3?
3x plus 1 and 2x minus 3. These are the factors. We need the value. So for value, we have to equate them into 0. Yeah,
No, sir. I mean, can the factors be 3x minus 1 and 2x plus 3?
no, no, it won't be. If it is, then you did something wrong. Shall I give one more question? Reena, Nayantara, everyone got it? Say yes or no? Okay. Then I will give one more question. Here is the question. X square plus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. So you have to find the 0 also and you have to verify it. Are you with me, Reena? Turn on your camera. David. Nayantara, you got it? Say yes or no? Got it, Nayantara? Okay. So because Nayantara understood, so we have to give the. This is the today's. David, you got it? You got it? No. Or yes?
No, I prefer not to answer that question.
Okay. Agatha, you got it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So that is why I gave the homework. You want more? Okay. Everyone do this. And you guys tell me the answer now. And Miracle will unmute. Miracle, unmute it.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now, how will you solve this?
Like, first we will do middle term splitting.
Yeah. What is the step for that?
First we will write 1x square
1x square.
0
Here it is.
2x.
So, what are the factors you want?
One and one.
Good. 1 and 1. So, 1. So, because 1 into 1 is 1 and 1 plus 1 is 2. So, it's gonna be look like this. Now, what will you do?
Um,
What is
yeah.
the common?
Now we take x minus 1.
No. If only x is there, so from
Yeah.
this it will be x plus 1. Where is the minus is not there? No?
Okay. Plus 1. Plus 1. X plus 1 equals to b.
Now, what is the common?
X plus 1. X plus 1.
I
Equals
got two factors. Now, what is the value of x?
to, x is 1. Both are.
Minus 1.
Yeah,
Because
minus.
x plus 1 is equals to 0. So,
Hmm.
x is equals to minus 1. And from this, it is also x minus 1. Okay, so now verify it.
Yeah.
Reena, you got it? No.
Can I tell you how to verify it?
No, verify. You have to verify that you are getting LHS equals to RHS or not. You have to put the value put the
Yeah.
value into this equation.
I'll do.
Shall I give one more question? Last question.
Should we verify also?
Yes. Solve this. Solve this. Verify it also. Agatha, you were asking me to verify. You were doing verification.
No, I was doing the verification.
Yes, everyone. Done? Veena, you got the answer? Veena, you got the answer? No?
No, sir. Yeah, I'm almost done.
Okay, what are the factors you got? Anybody has any doubt regarding finding the factors? Please tell me.
I got y is equal to 0.
How? I guess y is equals to 0 is not possible.
There was confusion of previous questions, verification.
Sorry?
I'm a little bit confused in the previous questions verification.
It is
Confused in the previous questions verification.
it's consumed. Is it not able to figure?
Equals to 0, but when I like it's a little bit confused.
Yeah, we did the same topic in the that chapter also. Algebraic identities type. The thing is here we have verification. Simple as that. Okay, so guys, we'll stop here only because the next topic we'll do tomorrow. So we'll end the class for the math right now. We'll wait for 4 5 minutes, then we'll start our science class. Till then, bye, man. Bye. Okay, guys, come back. We'll start our science class. So yesterday we were learning of this type, law of conservation of mass. Okay, so we did that part. Hmm, chapter number 10. Okay, so yesterday I gave you some homework. Do you have any doubt regarding that? Hello, can you hear me?
Yes,
Nobody has any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Okay, guys. So today we are going to learn a new part which is called as friction. So I would like to ask this question that friction is a friend enemy. Why? Anybody has any idea? Like friction is also called as friend enemy. Means it is friend also and it is enemy also. Anybody has any answer of this?
Uh, um, Maybe because whenever like a car is moving, there's always force against it, that is friction. And if we wanted to stop, friction also helps us stop the car.
Okay. Okay, good. Any more example? Any more example you guys have for this section? Any more example of the friction? Yeah, Reena.
Um, I just forgot.
So, like for example, we wear shoes. Yes, we wear shoes, and after 2 months, 3 months, 8 months, depending upon your walking or sports activity, the shoes get wear and tear. It is also because of friction. So friction is basically what is friction? See, for example, if there is a box, there is a box, okay, and in this box, mm, for example, this is Agatha, and Agatha is pushing this box. So when Agatha is pushing this box, so there is one, like for example, the main force, the capital F force is towards right side. So friction is a opposing force. Friction is what? It's a opposing force that work opposite to the direction of force. If force is towards right side, so the friction will work back side. Are you with me? Say yes or no. So friction is always up. It's an opposing force which tends to stop the vehicle or to stop the motion, basically. Okay, it slows down because of friction only. So friction is the opposing force to the main. Are you with me? Now, it is a friend also. Why? For example, you guys have pen. You guys have pen in which you are making notes. That pen tip, if you will see, there is a ball on it. There's a ball on it. Okay, the tip of the pen has a ball. Okay, so and your copy is rough. Yes, when you will touch it, it is rough. So when you will take the pen and when you will write it, so the ball is moving. The ball is moving and the ink is coming out. This is the mechanism. You can't write this write the pen on the plastic. You can't write because plastic is also smooth. The ball is also smooth. There is no friction or less friction. That is why the ball is not moving. The ink is not coming out. So this is basically what the friction is. Friction is basically that it is working when two contact force are there. Two contact things should be there. For example, if I will zoom this thing, so why the friction is working? Right now it is looking like smooth. Yes, right now it is looking like smooth at normal eyes, but really it is not smooth. Really, it is not smooth. It look like this. Everything that you see, it's at microscopic level, it is like this. This is at microscopic level. Like for example, when you see like this, it's look like smooth. Yeah. When you see it like this, it's look like smooth. Yes or no? But when you will go in microscopic level, you will find it out. There are some, like every particle has these types of structure. Hmm? So this is called as interlocking. It's called as interlocking. Interlocking of the surfaces. Interlocking of the surfaces. So basically it interlock it like this. That is why the object is not moving. Otherwise, the needy can take one finger and just with the push of one finger, the whole house can go from one place to another place. Huh? She will become superwoman. Okay, so basically it is not moving because of the friction. The table is not moving because of the friction. Okay, I am not moving because I am lazy. I'm not doing that. Okay, so basically the friction is there. Okay, friction is always there, which is the opposing force which work against the direction of motion. Simple as that. Are you with me? Did you understand? Now, friction are of two types that I'm going to tell. It's maybe not there in your book, but still I will tell you. So, friction are of two types. Okay. Friction are of two types. The first friction is called as static friction. Static friction. And the second one is called as kinetic friction. Kinetic friction. Now, remember this thing. When object is at rest, and it is at the same place, that friction is called as static friction. For example, right now in front of you, the table, chair, all are at rest position. So the friction which is working right now, when there is no movement, it is called as static friction. So this friction work when object is at rest. And obviously the kinetic means moving. When object is moving, for example, when you are riding a bicycle, you pedal it up. Okay, and now you stop pedaling. So still the bicycle will, after some time, it will get stopped, no? Because some friction is working. That friction is called as kinetic friction. When object is moving, that friction is called as kinetic friction, and when static is there, then it is called as static friction. Static means no movement. Are you with me? Did you understand, Joshua? No. No?
No, sir.
Okay. So basically, two types of frictions are there. First is static friction. You understood the friction, na? Huh? But there are
Yes.
two types of frictions are there. First is static friction. Second one is kinetic friction. Now, for example, the table which you are leaning, okay, which you are on leaning. So the table is at static position. It's not moving, no? Huh? It is not moving from one place to another place. It has lean position. It is no, it has static position, rest position. Okay, so that table is right now static friction is working on it to make it at the same place. Okay, okay. You ride bicycle?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So when you ride a bicycle, you pedal it up, and when you pedal it up, the bicycle will move. But if you will stop pedaling, then what will happen? The bicycle will move, and after some time it will stop. So when the object is at moving, then kinetic friction is working to stop the motion. Static friction to stop the motion, and the kinetic friction is also to stop the motion. But here the object already at rest position. So there the static friction will work. Simple as that.
Right.
Okay, so
So,
thank you, sir.
Yeah.
when we're paddling and when it's moving, what is that? Is it which friction is that? Is it kinetic?
Yeah, it's kinetic. For example, this is a bicycle. How to make bicycle? Okay. So this is bicycle and David is sitting on it and he is riding. So in this riding, the friction that is there to stop the bicycle is basically the kinetic friction. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So now we will read this friction part. So Reena, can you read this please from friction?
Yes. You might have noticed that a ball rolling along the ground stops after moving through some distance. Similarly, a moving car begins to slow down the instant its engine is switched off, and finally it stops. Why does it happen? Let us find out. Force of
Yeah.
friction. According to Newton's first law of motion, a moving body continues to move along a straight line until unless an external force is applied on it. Uh, Is this external force slowed down the motion of the ball or the car? Think. In fact, the ball or car is slowed down by a force called friction. Friction exists between the surface of all materials which are in contact with each other. The direction of frictional force is always in a direction opposite to the motion. Now try to analyze the forces acting on an object moving with a constant velocity. If an object is to move with a constant velocity, a force equal to the opposing force of friction must be applied. In that condition, the two forces are balanced forces. They exactly cancel one another and the net force on the body is zero. Hence, the acceleration produced in the body is zero and the body maintains its velocity. It neither speeds up nor slows down.
Simple as that. So basically, when an object is moving constantly and it is not stopping. For example, I who did ice skating? Anybody who did ice skating? Okay, me neither. So basically, in ice skating, you saw it or not. So the friction, the ice skate has like blade type thing in which they have to do like shoo like on the ice that lake. Okay. So basically, in ice skating, you might have seen the ice is not perfect, but it is near to perfect frictionless surface. You can write it down on your top of your copy. Ice is near to the perfect of frictionless surface. Okay. So in that, if you will see that a person who just give a small push, it will go for a longer distance because the ice is near frictionless surface. Near frictionless surface. Not full, but near frictionless surface. So basically, yes, in that place, if friction is not there, the speed of it will not increase and will not decrease. Okay, if friction is not there. For example, if somebody push me, if for example on the earth there is no friction, and if somebody push me from Jodhpur, so I might travel to Kerala in few seconds because it's not moving, it's not stopping, nobody's stopping me. It's like somebody, it's like, hi Joshua, I am here. Then I drink a tea, and then Joshua will push me. Then I will go to the Agatha, and then in one house, I can give the personal tutor. I can become the personal tutor for that. Got it? So this is because fiction is there. So whenever now, if somebody says that, no, why you are not giving me the personal tutoring. So I used to say that there's this lot of friction is there. That is why I can't do the personal tutoring. Okay, jokes apart. So what I'm trying to say, friction is there. That is why we are not able to fall. For example, who do house cleaning? Who do house cleaning? Nobody do. Okay. Agatha, do maybe I can see that yesterday you did house cleaning and there is no thumb right now. Okay, so house cleaning, it's very good thing. Okay, I mean you should do it. Okay, so when you do house cleaning and when you are washing the floor, so you put the surf or detergent on it. Okay, and when you will put detergent on it and it's become little bit slippery. Hmm? It become little bit slippery and you're not able to walk on it. Why? Because detergent makes the floor frictionless, near to frictionless, and when you will try to walk, then hadam, padam, gir gaye, like you fall. Huh? Then you will say, "Oh, mama, I was doing house cleaning. Now I will not do it because I am fall on the floor." Okay. So it's not mercy falling, it's Hardik falling. So like you fall. So what I'm trying to say that the floor which you make, which you use detergent on it, it's frictionless. That is why you're not able to move. So friction is not there, you're not able to move. Okay. Who saw Tom and Jerry? I used to saw Tom and Jerry a lot. So in Tom and Jerry, when Tom was about to walk on that place, that lake place, so he's not able to stand also. Like his hand will go like this, like this, like this. If you have saw that episode, yes or no? So why? Because the Tom paw is not able to make, like not able to grip the floor of the lake because the Tom paw as well as the this thing, it's both are smooth, not able to move. So this is how the friction is work. So friction is there. That is why we are doing different work. Like in rainy days, a lot of accidents we used to heard that the person fall from the road and the person do this then that like that. So this all thing is because of all friction only. Are you with me? So, because the friction is not there on the road because of the water, basically what happened? What happened when you floor when you do these things? So, I will make another diagram. So, for example, this is your leg. David, why are you laughing on it? Okay. So, this is your leg.
So now I okay, compare so then. So is that's a leg, right?
Yeah, it's leg. Okay, so basically this is like now what happened that the I told you there is always interlocking system is there. What interlocking system is there? So the interlocking system will gonna be look like this. Ayo, the drawing is so hard. So it's not like that. There's somebody shred your leg, but it basically the interlocking system is there. Okay. So basically, this is how the interest like microscopic level you will see your leg. Now, basically, what happened that when you will use the water or the detergent, that thing that thing will come in between the interlock like this. Now, the interlocking system which you are gripping to stand on the floor, it's not there. Okay, the oil or the lubricant or the water, detergent water. So now that will fill that interlocking system. So obviously it become near to frictionless and you will fall. Then you will say, Mama, I have a backache. Did you understand? Agatha. So you need that shoes which does not lose their friction, even the water is there. Same with the in rainy season, many accidents happen because of that only. Okay, they are trying to increase the speed because the rain is there, and I had one accident in which the rain was about to start. Like it started also. My house was 14, 15 kilometers away from me. I thought that I will increase my speed. Suddenly one car came. So when car came, so I like as an instant, it was not my bike. So I thought that like if it is my bike, I used to control it to have a perfect bike brake situation. But it was another like one person bike, and I put the brake. I fell, and I fell. So basically, it was not my mistake. It was that person mistake. Like all Indians used to say like that only. So, but the thing is, we need to be careful during the rainy season because of that. Are you getting this? Say yes or no? Okay. So now we will read the factors affecting the friction. Friction can be increased and friction can be decreased. Like for example, if you will see your shoe sole, if you're using for many years or many months continuously, the shoe sole has grooves in between them. But when you are using it, the grooves will vanish. The tires has groove between them. Groove means the cave type. Okay, so it get vanished because the tire is always working on the road because the friction wear and tear. So we'll read this. So who will read? David will read. Yes, David.
Factors affecting friction. You must have seen that it is easier to move a bicycle on a concrete road than on a rough road. Why is it so? Does friction depend on the smoothness or roughness of surfaces? Let us find out.
Yo. Hey.
So
Yes.
I'm able to move the pages.
Now I made the another this thing PDF. Now you are able to change the pages.
Yeah, the
Yeah, but it only
the
changes
previous.
for the person. For Nidhi, it only changes for you. It doesn't change for
Yeah,
anyone
I can
else.
only change, and I'm already able to see the change.
Okay, we'll read that. So we will read this. Yeah. Now read this.
So the activity.
Yeah, the activity.
Set up an inclined plane on a table as shown in figure 10.16. Mark a line near the top edge of the inclined plane. Now hold the pencil cell on this line. Release the pencil cell. What do you observe? The cell moves down the inclined plane and continues to move for some distance on the table. Note down the distance up to which the cell moves on the table.
Yeah.
Now
Next
place a
one.
glass sheet on the table. Again, release the pencil cell from the line on the inclined plane and note the distance up to which the cell moves on the glass plate. Repeat this activity by spreading a uniform layer of sand on the table. in which case the distance covered by the pencil cell is maximum, in which case is it minimum. What do you conclude from this activity? You will
Yeah.
find that the
Hmm.
distance moved by the cell is maximum on the glass surface and minimum over the sand. The difference is due to friction offered by different types of surfaces. Smooth glass surface offers less friction compared to a rough sand bed. Thus, smoothness of the surfaces is one of the factor on which friction depends.
Yeah.
You might
So basically, you like who follows Olympics? In that Olympics, there is weightlifting program. Like they used to lift a weight very high. So you might have observed or not, they take powder and they do like this because when they are taking like when they are giving their full strength to lift up that weight, they have sweating. So that sweating might come in your hand, and as I told you, like liquid or oil or these things will make the frictionless surface. So they have to grip that in like they should have good tight grip so that it will not fall on somebody. I saw one video in which a person who is not able to lift up the, the, the weight lift. Okay, so what he did, he take the full strength and then he did it like this, and there is a judge in front of him, and then he just drop on him.
watch that video.
Then yeah, then there's a sound which is called this is the end. Sound was so that will happen if you will not use the powder, and if you will say that I am the great man one without powder also I can lift up that thing. So you can do that. Okay. So now we'll read this.
You might have observed that more force is needed to move a heavy box than to move a lighter box on the same surface. It is so because the heavy box has a greater normal reaction of the surface on the box against the action of its weight, and hence greater frictional force. Thus, friction also depends upon the
Normal
normal
reaction.
reaction.
What is normal reaction? Normal reaction is basically the heaviness of the. Okay. Normal reaction is basically the heaviness also and perpendicular to the surface. And perpendicular to the surface. For example, this is surface. If object, like for example, if this is the object, so this is the normal reaction because it's a perpendicular to the surface. Perpendicular means making 90 degrees. So this is the object, it's on the floor, so it is making 90 degrees, hence it's called as normal reaction. Now, if I will incline this surface, so the 90 degree will be this one, 90 degree will be this one. Okay, so and the weight will be like if I will hold it like this, okay, so the normal will be this one, and the weight will be downward. The weight will be like this. Ayyo. The weight will be like this, and this will be the normal. This will be the weight. Like for example, if I will hold it, like the gravity is pulling like this, and the normal gonna be look like this. Are you with me? The normal gonna be looking like now. In this case, what will happen? Because the weight, the gravity, and the normal reactions are not aligned, it is easy to move. That's why in inclined place, it's easy to move. Because the normal, which is 90 degree to the surface, and the gravity are not aligned to each other. Are you with me? Okay. So in the friction depends upon the normal also. Like if normal is high, means if the heavy object is there, then you can't push it because the friction is. One more thing. if surface area is more. For example, it like the book is there in front of you. So guys, the book, like for example, this is your book. Okay. Now this book has this part and this book has this part. So now you can check right now also. If you will move it like this, it is easy to move. But if you will move it like this, it is hard to move. Because this part, this whole surface is contact with the another surface and it is hard to move. Are you with me? So surface area also matters. Did you understand? Reena? No. Everyone got it? Joshua?
Yes, sir. Sort of.
Yeah, surface area also matters. Surface area means if you will take a like this is the book, this is the book, and if it is like this, if it is like this, so most of this area is in contact with the another surface, and hence more interlocking will be there, hence more friction will be there. If it is like this, less area is in contact, less area is in contact means less friction will be there, less interlocking. Are you with me? Say yes or no? Yes. So we will read now advantage and disadvantages of the friction. Yes, Agatha, read this.
Advantages of friction. Have you ever walked on ice or wet marble floor? You might have found that it's difficult to balance your body. The force of friction developed between the soles of your shoes and the ground helps us to move. Had there been no friction, walking or running would have been impossible. You can write a pen or on page over the chalk on the backboard due to friction. Buildings may be constructed only due to force of friction between different wooden materials. Without friction, you could not fix a nail on the wall. Tires of automobiles are threaded to increase the friction between tires and surface of the road. Thus, the tires get better grip with the ground. The brakes applied in the automobiles also work only due to friction. Can you think of some work examples from your daily life where friction is useful? Disadvantages of friction. Due to friction, a lot of energy is wasted in the form of heat that causes wear and tear of the moving parts of a machine. Friction also reduces efficiency of the machines as considerable amount of energy is wasted in overcoming friction. However, the efficiency of a machine can be increased by putting a suitable lubricant between its moving parts. Most of the machines to reduce friction, ball bearings are used between the moving parts. By using the ball bearing, the sliding friction is replaced by rolling friction. As the rolling friction is less than the sliding friction, therefore, the friction between the moving parts is reduced.
Yeah. So the ball bearings are there. Okay. For example, I guess you if you are using desktop, so you have that keyboard part. Okay. So the keyboard that has the balls on it. Okay. So when you will just pull it, so it is easily pulled. Or for example, you have kitchen drawers. Kitchen drawers also work on the ball bearing because it's easy to pull. Because the balls, it's the rolling friction, and the rolling friction is always less than the static friction. Okay. Okay. So we have to like if the question will come, how will you reduce the friction? Use the ball bearing because rolling friction is less than the static friction. Did you understand, guys? So this will be the homework then. Okay, Agatha, this is the homework. So tomorrow we'll complete this chapter by doing the first and question. Okay, guys. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Uh, okay, so we'll end this class. I hope you have enjoyed the class. Till and bye. Have a nice day. Signing off. Tayo.
Bye, sir.
Hi, sir.
Bye, sir. Thanks for the
Bye.
class.
Thank you. Bye.